Hello everyone, I'm Fariha Sultana and this is my demo for Web Server Programming Assignment 2. So I already started my server here, and if I go to localhost, it shows my registration page. If I submit register without putting any input, it shows all the error messages like for email, @ is required and all these things. So if I put anything but @ and try to register, it doesn't take it. And if I put @ it will go away. Password, if I put 3 entries, doesn't go away. If I put 4 or maybe more, because the requirement is minimum 4 characters, it goes away. Programming skill goes away if I choose just one, but I can choose more. And here this one goes away. If I do Oklahoma City register, it shows me the registration page where it shows email, password, programming skills, major, and residency. If I reload the page and try different address, different password, and this, and try to register, it goes to this page again. Thank you. That was my demo for P2.